Welcome to my channel PCB Design. In this video, a stereo balance indicator circuit design is explained. For simple and easy construction, it is a very useful circuit for the stereo amplifiers. Those music lovers can enjoy the stereo music when the output comes from both the speakers in equal volume. Normal human ears cannot identify the exact balance from which speaker the sound is more or less. So, to exactly fix the stereo balance, that is from equal volume from the both left and right channel outputs, the stereo balance indicator circuit is very much useful for these music lovers. Hence, it is a very simple circuit and it can be built easily. Highly suitable for most stereo audio amplifiers, compact in size and very economical to build. It can be fixed to any stereo audio units in front panel, just near the balance control for visual indication through red LEDs. Ensures correct settings of the balance level of volume. Can be set to true balance of the stereo output system. It can be fit to any case the stereo amplifier, and it is very economical to build. The power supply for this circuit can be tapped from the stereo audio amplifier units itself, and no separate power supply is needed. Mostly, the costly stereos employ the balance control. It is just like a volume control. Another control is available to adjust the balance of the left channel as well as the right channel. But on hearing, as I said earlier, on hearing this sound by the human ears, it is very difficult to judge, to fix the balance exactly equal to the left and right channel output. The sound should be equal, then only they can enjoy the true stereo balance sound and enjoy the music very well. Hence, this circuit is designed for easy construction and fit to into any stereo audio amplifiers. The visual indicator fixes the exact balance of these unit of the stereo amplifier and can be accurate. Hence, it can be easily fit into any audio amplifiers which has stereo balance control. Hence, we can discuss it now, the salient features and its circuit design. Regarding this component side, just two transistors are used, two signal diodes are used apart from two red LEDs for the indication. A few resistors and capacitors are used as passive components. Regarding the circuit design, it is the stereo balance indicator circuit schematic is given here. You can very well see the simplicity of the circuit. The T1 and T2 are the two transistors which gives these balance performance. Through the output is balanced through this LED. Just as left LED and right LED, exactly. There is a left channel, from the left channel speaker, the signal is fed to the diode D1 and it is moved by the capacitor C1. The voltage appears at A drives the transistor T1. Same way, the right channel speaker also gives the signal output through the OA 91 D2 diode and smoothed by the C2 capacitor. The same this voltage divider R9 and R10 gives the bias voltage at point B for this T2 driving. When both the signals are equal, that is, both the volumes are equal, the voltages appears at point A as well as point B both are equal. When both are equal, this nullifies the two transistors and the LED does not glow. The T3 and T4 is not being driven and LED 1 and LED 2 do not light up. When the input from the left channel increases, the voltage at A increases. At that time, the bias increases, that drives the T1 and as well as T3 is triggered and LED 1 lights up, whereas LED 2 doesn't light up, LED 2 is off. So when the right channel signal right channel volume is more, this voltage at B increases and it drives the transistors T2 and T4 and LED 2 conducts and the LED 2 lights up when the LED 1 remains off. So to exactly fix the balance, it is essential to be both the voltages at A and B are equal. So to adjust this voltage, this balance control can be adjusted such that both LED 1 and LED 2 remains off. That shows exact balance of this stereo control balance indicator circuit. Hence, it is the visual indication which gives accurate settings of the balance of the outputs from the stereo amplifiers. So this is a very simple circuit. It can be fixed in any circuits. The working as again I am explaining to you, the input to the circuit is taken from the output terminals of each channel. Available audio signals are rectified by the diode D1 and D2. C1 and C2 are smoothing capacitors. Appropriate DC voltages are developed across voltage divider networks. Voltage levels at the points A and B are very important, very crucial. When both channel volumes are same voltages appear at A and B. T1, T and T2 remains cut off. Both LED remains off. This is a very important stage. Difference in input volume makes difference in voltage levels at A and B. Left channel volume increases at voltage point A. It's on the left LED. When right channel volume increases, voltage B increases, T2 conducts lights on the right LED. Thus, the balance control can be set using this LED of the two remains cut off where both simultaneously. That gives the exact balance. Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and share. Please subscribe to this video to view more such videos. Thank you very much. Thank you.